products, brand new items in the box. And who's got 25 on it? Would have been 25. Who's got it? Yep, 25 and now 30. Would have been 30. I've got a $30 bid. 35. Would have been 35. I've got 30 bid. 35. And now 40. Would have been 40. We got 35 here. 40. I've got 40 bid. 45. Would have been 45. 45 and now 50. I've got 50 here. 80. Yep, 85. And now 90. Yep, 90 and 5. Would have been 95. 90 here. Need $95. Would have been $95. $95. Last call. $95. Yeah, 95, I've got it, and 100 in here, and I'll take 105. Would have been 105? If I've got 25 in it, I'll take 30 next. Would have been 30, who's got a $30 bid? 25 is going to need 30 years. 30 and 5 would have been 35. 30 is a bid 5. Would have been $35. $35, wow, that's a pretty impressive piece. 35, now 40. Would have been 40 and 5, would have been 45. 45, now 50. Would have been $50. 45 and a back, 50, got it? 50, 50, bid of 50, 50, bid of $50. $50, yeah, there's 50 and 5. Would have been $210. Would have been $210. Last call, 200 in. Yep, there's 210, 20 now, but it's 220. 210's a bid, 220 on the crate. Would have been $220. $220 last call. New in the box with the oversleeve. There's all the papers and the flaps in the box. Box is a little tattered. This is a new carbine, where this carbine is new. And I'll take $675 on a gun. Would have been $675. 700 now on a gun. Would have been $775. Would have been $575. Nice piece. $575. I've got $550, 50, $575. Yep, $575. Worth every penny. 650, 625. Would have been 600. Would have been 600. So I have 6 and a quarter, 6 and a half. I've got 625 and I need 650 on the gun. Would have been $650. Would have been $525 last call. $525. 675 on the gun. Would have been 675. Who's got 675? We got 650 bid. Would have been $675. 400 there. What a quarter now. Would have been 4 and a quarter. Got 400 bid on a 4. Need 425. Would have been $425. Would have been $425 last call. $425. Would have been $3,000. Last call, $3,000. You bought it, $2,950. What's your bidder number? Last call, $1,350. I know you want it. We sold it, $1,300. Bidder number is 330. Bidder number 330. 900 bid, I need 925. Would have been $925. Would have been $925. $425 last call, $425. Buy it for $100 to get a